What it do? What's up, Kenna? Hey. What's Papa-Locking fam? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Crystal, aka CurlieCrys, and we are back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be getting into a braid out in today's video, y'all. Like a whole braid out. Maybe even a braid and curl. Like, what are we thinking? How are we feeling? Braid and curl or braid out? I'm going to just do a regular braid out because I have not done one in a very long time. So before we go ahead and get into those details, if you are not already part of the CurlieCrys fam, I'm going to need for you to do one thing for your girl, okay? And that is to smash that button down below. Smash that button down below. Go ahead and join the CurlieCrys fam because we would love to have you here. And as y'all can clearly see, oh my God, it is a very juicy situation going on over here right now. Like, y'all, the amount of particles that keep on dripping every freaking where. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop right into what we're going to be using. So y'all, I was actually really excited to hear that I was going to be trying out these products. And those are the Flawless by Gabrielle Union products. This video is not sponsored, but my Instagram content is sponsored. I was really excited to be trying these out. One of the facts, leave it up to me to drop something. If you want something to be dropped, send it to me. So like I was saying, one of the reasons why I was really excited to be trying out these products is because it's also by Gabrielle Union. So of course I was like, I would love to work with this company, yes. But this video is not sponsored, but I still wanted to bring this video to the channel so you guys can see how these products work. So I've already applied the detangling leave-in conditioner to my hair. Now I'm going to go in with the defining curl cream and seal with the restoring exotic oil treatment. So this is a spray leave-in, and I actually did like this. It's very lightweight, but it's also pretty moisturizing. So I did like that leave-in conditioner. And then the curl cream, this one is like pretty thick, y'all. Like a pretty thick cream. So y'all know I'm excited about this. And it's a little tacky. So we love a thick, creamy, tacky situation, okay? We love it. And they smell really, really like refreshing and just really nice. And the oil treatment, let's check this bad boy out. So it smells just like the rest of the line. I think I'm gonna like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on this section. This is what it's looking like with just the leave-in in. Now we're gonna go in and section off. So since we're doing a braid out, that's 3 pieces, I'm gonna do a tad bit larger sections than just my regular twist outs. Then I'm going to go in with the Tangle Teaser brush. I've been trying out this brush and I actually really do like this brush because it not only can you detangle with it, but it also defines the curls like pretty well. So this is like ideal for styling. So now we're going to go in with the cream. I'm going to use about this much to start off with and see how that feels. Okay, feels really nice. Apply a little bit more. I really like the texture of this cream. So that looks pretty darn good if you ask me. So now I'm gonna go in with some of the oil. Just a little bit to seal in le moisture. Alright. That looks really nice. So let's go and split into 3 even pieces. And we gonna start twisting, you know what I'm saying? Make sure them 3 pieces are even though, because if they ain't even, you're gonna have some issues. Alright, here we go. So now doing my braid out. Since it's a braid, you can most definitely get it really tight at the roots, so you have like no excuse for a fuzzy root, okay? You have no excuse. Get that braid tight at that root and then go ahead and braid on down. It's been so long since I've done a braid out, y'all. Now that we're about halfway down, I'm gonna take my brush and just make sure that everything is nice and detangled for each one of those pieces. All right, and now that we're towards the end, I'm gonna combine the two smallest pieces and start to twist. And of course, go ahead and curl at the end around your finger. Y'all, this is okay. I like this. Yes. So like, just looking at some other reviews of people who tried this product, they really had a lot of mixed reviews on both of these, on these products, but more so the washing products. And I too use the washing products on my hair, and the ones that I use were completely different from the ones that people really did not like. So I'm not sure like if they just didn't choose those options or if they weren't available at that time. But the one that the brand sent me was the co-wash and the 3-minute conditioner, which the co-wash was pretty good, and the conditioner actually did have a whole lot of slip, and it was very, very creamy. And of course I just left it on for longer than 3 minutes because what 3 minutes gonna do? But it was actually pretty good. So when I saw those reviews on the other products, I was like, okay, maybe they didn't send me those products on purpose. Maybe they're redoing those formulas. You know what I'm saying? But so far, I have really been enjoying these products, which is kind of contrary to the other reviews that I've seen. Like, look at that cream! That cream is creaming. That cream is doing what needs to be done, honey. Like, this looks and feels great. But also with that co-wash, I could see why, like, if someone tried the co-wash, they wouldn't be as much of a fan. Like, the co-wash wasn't the best co-wash I've ever tried, but it was still really, really good, you know? Like, I really did like it. So I would use it again. Y'all see what I mean by like you can get it tight at the root, because you have 3 pieces, so you can literally like squeeze it tight at the root. Are done with the braids, and let's just get into, for one, the length, and for 2, like, this cream is actually really good so far. Like, so far I am loving the texture, the thickness, all that of this cream. So I hope that these results do come out good, because if so, then we may just have some really new good products, because these results look really, really good. Well, not results, the braids, I should say, look really, really good. Like, they're very, very shiny. Y'all see that shine on them? Like, that shine looks nice, okay? So I'm gonna come back once everything is dry. So fam, it is the next day and my hair is fully dry. I let it air dry overnight and then a little bit more time, and this is what we are looking like so far with the dry results. So the braids do most definitely look very, very juicy. Like, I think it's gonna come out really, really good, honestly. Like, I have a really good feeling about this braid out. So I'm going to go in with the oil by Flawless by Gabrielle Union and put some of that on my hands. and we're going to begin the takedown process. All right, so the way I'm gonna take them down is separate the 2 twists at the bottom that we did the 2-strand twist, and then go ahead and find where the 3 braids, the 3 pieces separate, and then pull apart and unravel on up just like that. The only thing about braid outs is they do take a tad bit longer to unravel, but of course there's the little trick where you can pull it like this to unravel it quickly, but that only works if you kept all 3 pieces separate. Ooh, y'all, this looks mighty good, pretty defined, not gonna lie. Let's continue separating. So I'm gonna do it one more time with you guys. Uncurl in the opposite direction at the end to get it 2 pieces separate like that, and then start to find where that 3rd piece is. Boom, separate that, and now you have 3 pieces, right? Now we're gonna just go ahead and unravel on up. And like I was saying, you can do a little trick where you pull like this, and that's a little shortcut, but it only works if you detangled correctly. All right, and that's what this part is looking like. Nice and defined. Okay. And y'all, my hair feels very, very moisturized as well, so that's bomb. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue separating all of this, and I'll be RB. So everything's taken out, looking real good. Now let's separate into smaller pieces. So the way I'm separating is I pull where it wants to naturally separate, just like I separate a twist out, nothing different at all, and then twirl around the end to emphasize that curl at the end. And y'all can already see how good this is looking, and it's really separating like easily, like with ease. Like these products, y'all, are pretty good. Speaking of like, go ahead and like this video for your girl, okay? This cream, y'all, is really, really good. Like the moisture levels are there, the definition is there, the hold is there. Like everything seems to be on point for these results. Like maybe it's just the 2 products that was mentioned that those people didn't like, but I think the styling products and even the washing products that I tried are pretty good and are giving me some really, really good results right now. Like look how easy this is separating and popping. Like come on, I'm loving this. And what I like is that you can really separate as much or as little as you like, because I'm separating this a lot, but I could stop, you know, without separating as much as I am. So that means you can have no volume, medium volume, high volume, you know, like really, really big voluminous hair if you separate more. So I really do like that as well, because that caters to a wide range of people, and depending on how voluminous you like your hair to be. So I'm gonna keep on separating, and we're gonna come back for the final look. All right, fam, so these are the final results, and everything looks really, really good. The definition is popping and it's shiny, so I really am feeling these results and these products. Like this is most definitely a winner. Like this looks good, right? So I actually really did enjoy these products, and my results are popping. The back, I'm gonna show you guys the back real quick. Most definitely has a lot of volume and movement, so I do like that. This is the next day, so this is day 2 hair, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how it looks on day 2, and I just feel like it's really like bomb. Like this braid out, and I also have a shirt on. I ain't naked, okay? I got a little bandeau on, but I really wanted to come and show you guys day 2 hair. I feel like it looks so cute. Like I really am loving how day 2 hair looks on me. This is what the back looks like. So the back looks really, really good as well. Like the definition is still there, and there is some frizz of course, but I don't mind the frizz, you know? Like I still feel like this all looks bomb. Like, and I also, by the way, love like the fresh face. Okay, like the fresh face vibes. Like I just feel like all of it all together is a look, and the products that I use are really, really, really moisturizing, y'all. And my hair is so doggone moisturized. And this oil, I actually love this oil. I will for sure be using this again, especially just on my scalp as well. It's just very smooth and everything, so I really do like that. But yeah, so I just wanted to come and show you guys the results once again and just let you guys get a deeper look of this definition and everything, so you guys can have a more accurate understanding of the results. I did not use the edge control that came with the line. I will try to use it later on, but I didn't get around to using it this time. It smells really good though, like really, really good, like the rest of the line. So overall, I really don't have any complaints about these styling products. I feel like the leave-in conditioner really does complement the curl defining cream, because the leave-in conditioner is very lightweight and the curl defining cream is pretty thick. So I feel like these two together really work well and giving you a nice moisturized result. And also the thickness of the curl defining cream gives you defined moisturized curls. And that's exactly what I got. And you guys know I like my hair to be big. And I didn't stretch my hair at all. Okay, so just to get out the way, I didn't stretch it. I was thinking about it, but I decided not to stretch, but just to come with like the natural look and everything of how my results really look without stretching. So this is what we have. So I want to hear from you guys. Let me know what you guys think about these results in the comments down below. I really want to know what you guys think about the results and the final look, and also the braid out, because sis did a braid out and I have not done one in a very long time. So let me know down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Peace. And don't forget to subscribe.